Donna, welcome back to my channel. Today is a trunk club unboxing, and as you may have seen, my last trunk was a little rough. I've requested a new stylist, I gave more information, and so I'm hoping this trunk is going to be a lot better. Before I start, I just wanted to thank everyone for watching my videos. It's kind of amazing to me that anybody watches these videos. This is a hobby of mine and I think it is so cool. I have like 450 subscribers. I remember my first video, I was astounded when I had 160 views and have this many subscribers, and to have everybody be so sweet and amazing and kind and generous in comments. It's just such a cool community, and I wanted to thank you before I got started. So now let's get to the fun. As you know, they send tons and tons of stuff, so I will, I'll try it all on for you. I requested Euro stylish stuff for my trip to London. I also asked for some accessories, sunglasses, hats, bags, anything that could spice up an outfit. And then also I requested a dress for a nice dinner out. Something that was not too dressy, but something that would look nice if we decided to go to a nice dinner. So we'll see how they did. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, is this not the most adorable dress you have ever seen? Oh my gosh, you guys. It's lined, it fits perfect. It's kind of funny how the belt goes. It's buckled, but then actually it ties in the back. There's some strings here, which is kind of fun. Oh, I just found out it has pockets. Oh my gosh. This dress is adorable. Okay, I also got these cool sunglasses too, which are really fun as well. Like, I'm looking very stylish. Well, and then I got the Sam Edelman nude pumps, which I could never wear in a million years. I don't wear tall pumps. I could barely walk down the hallway to get here because sorry, it's just not me. I can pull a wedge off, but they're pretty cute though. They look pretty cool. I'll wear them with everything just so I feel cool in them. But the dress though is like $185, I think. That's a lot of cash for a dress, man. But look how cute it is. The shoes are $120 and the glasses I think are $85. I'll put them down below. Tell me what you guys think about it. Is it worth $185? All right, let's try on the next one. You guys, this one's adorable too. This is a J.Crew dress. Oh, it has pockets too, I just realized. It's navy, I don't know if you can tell. It's navy and white t-shirt, little striped dress. And you guys, if anybody has a video on tying like sashes, can you just send it to me, because I have no idea how to do this. But look at how cute this is. I did it rolled on one side and straight on the other. It was rolled in the picture and it looks cute and it fits great and it is so cute. I just kept it on. I hobbled my way down the hallway with the Sam Edelman shoes on again, and I put them with these glamorous shades they sent me. The dress is $118. Okay, do you like it better than the blue one? Is it worth $118? It feels like good quality to me. Might get a little wrinkly in my bag, but it's real cute and it has pockets. Oh man. All right, I got another one. All right, we'll see. Okay, here is the next dress. And it is different than I thought it would be. I thought it was navy with white polka dots, but it's black with pink polka dots. I like it better than I would think I would. So there's things I like and things I don't. I like how flowy it is. and it's really soft and maybe a little bit cheaper fabric, but it's lined, it's nice. I'm not usually into kind of these like little ruffly sleeves and puffy shoulders. It's a little girly for me. It does show off the ladies kind of deep here, but it is really kind of flowy and nice. It's a nice length. So it is better than I thought. Tell me what you think. Okay, here's the next dress, and it's a faux wrap dress by Eliza J, and it's really cute. It is the epitome of a little black dress, I think, and there's some things about it that I wasn't sure that I'd like. So it has this little sleeves, but they're kind of cute, and these little puffs like I had in another dress. I'm not usually into those. It has a real deep V, but it's cute, little tight. It's a real stretchy, flowy material, and I thought, oh, that might cling to all the bad bits, which it may, but it's not too bad. The length is good, right below the knees. Oh, I might like this one too, you guys. Okay, let me try on the next thing. Okay, here is the next item. It's this navy blue midi skirt. It has this cute buttons down the side here and pockets. The t-shirt's just mine, and I have it on with my wedge sandals. And it's cute. It's a little bit of a wrinkly kind of dress, but I like the length. It's fun. I like it better than I thought. The fabric isn't amazing quality, but it is lined. But here's the question. Is it worth $128 for a cotton skirt? Seems steep to me for what I'm getting, but let me know if you think differently. It is really cute without a doubt. All right, I got some more stuff. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I really wanted a cute pair of yellow pants, and I thought these might be it. They're Hudson's. They're originally $185. They've gone on sale. I'll note it down below. And at first I thought they would be cute, but then look at the bottom. They're just weird. They're like straight leg cropped. I don't know if these really do that much for me. They're really soft and super stretchy, but the bottoms are just weird. And I think I can find better for cheaper, to be honest. So I don't think these ones are for me, but it was a good try. All right, last thing. Okay, so the last two things are this Halogen shirt, and it's a cheaper price. It's $59, but it is a terrible fabric. It's some kind of crepey material. It doesn't feel good at all. It feels really cheap. The arms are a little bit long and weird. They're cuffed, but they don't pull in at all, so they're kind of weird. And the rest is pretty cute. The cut of it is pretty cute. The fabric is just terrible. And I just have them on with my jeans, but they sent me some booties, and you guys know I've been on the hunt for some booties, and here are some red booties that are adorable. Oh my God, these are cute. Here, let me give you a closer look. Look at how beautiful they are. Now, the heel is a little high, and they look kind of orange on the screen, but they're a beautiful suede red. And they're by Campbell. I don't think I could wear them in London, but my goodness, they are so cute. I'll be right back with a recap. Okay, I'm finally back. Life has happened in the meantime, and apparently life required a wardrobe change today anyways. So just to recap a few things, I thought Trunk Club did a much better job this time, and they did a good job. They really did. I liked a lot of the stuff. I still think they put some low quality things in at too high of a price, but I really liked everything. I think this stylist did a much better job. I'm not sure it was all Euro stylish, but I'm not even sure what that means, so how could they know? So let's just go over a few things because I need your help. On the glasses, I like the black ones better. They just look like movie star glasses to me. So cute. These were cute too, but the black ones are adorable. Okay, the stuff that I really didn't care for, the blue shirt, the material is not great. It didn't look bad, but it just wasn't great. The yellow pants I really wanted to like. They're super soft, but they were a funny fit on me, so those are a no. I also really liked this blue skirt. It had the pockets. The fabric, it's a little low quality as well, and the price was $128, and I thought that was it's just too much for this simple skirt. So, no on that. These shoes I cannot rock. They're adorable, and I love them, and I wish I could, but I can't. These boots are so cute. You have to tell me what you think. I would love these, and I could wear them, but they're quite expensive as well. I'm not sure if I could justify them right now. Like that heel, I just couldn't wear them all the time, but I really liked them. Let me know what you think. Okay, now here's where I need help. The dresses. So, the black dress, my daughter liked the black dress the best. She thought it was very flattering, made me look thin. Black is thinning, they say. It is just a really great, simple black dress that would be great in my wardrobe. I really, really loved this blue dress. I love the cut of it. I like the structure in it. I love the square neckline. It's really a soft, beautiful, well-made dress. It is quite expensive, but I really liked it. It's a super pretty dress, and I thought very flattering. The black dress with the pink polka dots, I didn't think I would like it, but it was so bouncy, flouncy, fun, flattering. I did actually really like it too. My daughter really liked this one too. I love the swing of it. It's really great. And then last but not least was this J.Crew striped dress. And I just want you to be able to see the stripes, this shirt dress. And I really like this as well. I like the structure of it, and it's a great fabric. And I really liked it. So it could be cash, it could be kind of dressy. I don't know. They're all a little bit steep for my blood, so I think I would have to choose one. Isn't that so sad? Well, I thought this was a great box. I really appreciate you watching. If you like the video, if you'll give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you like these videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.